Welcome to the channel It's Easy. I am Asutosh Chandra. I am present with some questions for upcoming bank exams. These are the questions from the topic phrase replacement. Let's begin with the first question. The very first question is on your screen. This is the question. All their efforts were direct to promote harmony among various groups of people. Before moving on to the option, we need to find whether there is any replacement really needed or not. The part which you are seeing on your in the sentence that is printed in red letter and that is underlined, it needs to be corrected or it needs to be replaced with the options given below. So if that part is correct, it does not need any kind of replacement, your answer will be no correction required. But the sentence before jumping on to any conclusion, we must see whether this option is correct or not. As you can see the sentence, all their efforts were direct to. The first problem which I can find in the sentence is where this is the verb that is followed by the first form of the verb. So it must be corrected. It's incorrect. It's not correct. Okay. So that needs to be changed. So now looking at the different options, we are directing to. And one thing more that you must notice that if this sentence has to give an appropriate meaning, the sentence must be in passive voice. All their efforts were directed to, or anything can be, but this sentence must be in passive voice, only then it will give an appropriate meaning. So if we, on the basis of that concept, we can eliminate the options from among the given options. So as you can see, we are directing to. If you look at this option is trying to make the sentence in active voice. So because of this reason, this option cannot be this option cannot replace the given part. Okay. So I am ruling out this option. One thing more, there are, as you can see, at the end of every phrase in the option, there are different prepositions. So from different angle, from different point of view, we can consider the question for solving it. There is a word promote. We cannot make any change in this word. We are authorized to change only this part, that is underlined part. So we cannot make any change in the word promote. So promote must be preceded by the preposition to. If there is any preposition that is apart from to, that is coming at the end of the entire phrase, that option will not work here. That option will not do here. So you can see the option number B, it is with preposition at the end of the phrase. Option number C, it has also a preposition that is different from to, that is for. If the preposition at and for have to be used at this place, then both of them separately must be followed by the ing form of the verb, which is not there because we cannot make any change to the word promote. So by this way, we can eliminate this option also. Apart from this, you must be aware, you must be cautious while trying to change this part with the given option, because the sentence, if sentence has to give any meaning, that it is possible only if the sentence is in passive form of the voice. So the option number D, it's very appropriate answer, because this is not trying to make the sentence active, and this phrase ends with the preposition to, and because because of this, as I have already told you, because of this word promote, any other preposition than to cannot be used here. So we are left with only one option, that is D. Although the phrase in option number A, it also has to at the end, but it will make the sentence active. It will convert the sentence into active voice. That will not give the appropriate meaning. So I hope it would be clear to you. All the grammatical explanation that I have discussed, that is in this box. You can go through it and find the you can understand it properly. Now moving on to the next question. The question is, what did happen there in the first place is not a matter of our concern. So this question begins with a question word, what, but it's not actually asking any question. This sentence is not raising any question. Just because any sentence begins with the WH word doesn't mean that it is asking question also, because the word what, I am talking particularly about what, this word also functions as relative pronoun. The same is here. Here what is not raising any kind of question, rather it is functioning as a relative pronoun, which does not need any kind of antecedent before it. So what did happen there in the first place is not a matter of our concern. And one thing more, as you can see, this part is in past tense, but this part is in present tense. So what can we do? So let's move to the option. Then we will consider which option should be replaced. Which option should be replaced with? What did happen? As I said to you that it is not raising any kind of question. So the sentence structure cannot be what plus helping verb. So what happens? This could be the possible answer, but if I say what happens there in the first place is not a matter of our concern, it will change the tense of this part. So if we could sense the meaning of the entire sentence, we find that the speaker who is saying it's not a matter of our concern, actually he is narrating a past incident that happened. That whatever happened, that is not a matter of our concern. Whatever happened, it happened. It's not a matter of our concern. So sometimes we use such kind of sentence. So the option number A, it's not the appropriate choice. What would have happened? Again, this is the imaginary sentence. This is the structure that gives a meaning of imaginary sentence. This will not also, this cannot be replaced here. What happened? The same, what I am trying to convey is what happened. The speaker is saying what happened or whatever happened yesterday or day before yesterday or in the past, that is not a matter of our concern. It has some relationship with the present. So the speaker is intended to say whatever happened in the past, in the first place, is not a matter of our concern. So it seems to be the appropriate answer according to the meaning of the sentence. What should happen? This answer will, this is the incorrect option, because the modal verb should, it is followed by the third form of the verb, which is not possible because modal verb is always followed by the first form of the verb. So we cannot consider this option for replacement. So the only option we are left with, that is option number C. That will be our answer. This is the grammatical explanation in the box. As you can see, whatever I discussed with you till now, that it is written in this box. You can go through it and read it for your understanding. So answer is option number C. Moving on to the next question. Such qualities can be founded, enshrined in the constitutions of other countries also. Students often get confused with the word founded. There are two words. First, let's see the options. These are the options. Before moving on to the option, these words find and found both are on your screen. We often get confused because the second form of find and the first form of found both looks similar, but both have got different meanings. Find means to get back or to discover something, whereas found means to establish. So both has got different meanings. So we must be careful while using these two words. Such qualities can be found. As you can see, can be. this part must be followed by the third form of the verb. If there is any other form of the verb, then the third form, that option will be eliminated. So let's consider the first option first. Could have been founded. Such qualities could have been founded, enshrined. Look here, it is actually giving the meaning of find, to get back or to discover something. Such qualities can be founded. You jump few words, skip few words, and read the sentence like this. Such qualities can be founded or found in the constitution of other countries also. Read it like this. Such qualities can be founded or found in the constitution of other countries also. This way you will give the appropriate answer. So it is giving the meaning of what the meaning is required here, that is the find, to get back or discover something. So could have been founded, again, just because this word founded, to establish, this option cannot be considered. Can be found, it seems to be the second B number option seems to be the appropriate answer. Such qualities can be found because it is giving the meaning of this. Could be founded, again, because of this founded word, the option will not work here, it will not do. Could have found, such qualities could have found enshrined. Although the word found is suitable, but the sentence is not giving appropriate meaning after replacing this part. So we are left with only one option, that is can be found. Such qualities can be found enshrined in the constitution of other countries also. Now, what is the meaning of enshrined? Enshrined means actually to make a right law, so to make a right or law protected and respected in a document, that is the constitution. If something is enshrined in the constitution, it means that is protected by either by the court or by some authority or some body. So the correct answer will be option number B. Now move on to the fourth question. The question is, India's outlook on the world is composing of these various elements. Look, there is the word compose. If you go in depth meaning of the word compose, it has got several meanings. So, but the meaning which here implies of the word compose is to combine together, to form a whole, or to be made or from several parts of something. India's outlook on the world is composing of these various elements. Let's have the options first. These are the options on your screen. India's outlook on the world is composed of, is composed by, is composed with, has been composing at, no correction required. Look, here again the sentence must be in passive form. India's outlook on the world is composing. It means the world is not composing, rather world is composed. So you can understand the meaning of the sentence. If you consider the appropriate meaning of the sentence, it must be in passive form. The sentence, this part must be in the passive form. So if there is any part in the active form, that option must be eliminated. Is composed of, it's okay, it is in passive form. It is also in passive form. It is also in passive form. Has been composing. This is in the active form. So this option we need to eliminate. We cannot consider this option for the replacement. India's outlook on the world is composing of, is composed of, composed by. Just because of by, this preposition, this option will not do. Again, we need to remove it. Eliminate this option. Is composed of, is composed with. The appropriate answer is composed of. India's outlook on the world is composed of these various elements. These are the explanation for your convenience on your screen. You can go through it. And the answer is option number A. Moving on to the last question. How religious intolerance can blight social peace and harmony can be gauged from events take place around the globe. These are the options. How religious intolerance can be blight. What is the meaning of gauge? Actually, the meaning of gauge is to measure or calculate something. To measure or calculate something. So, and blight means to have a bad effect on something. It means social harmony and peace that is in danger. How much danger is it in can be gauged, can be measured from the events that is going on or taking place around the world. So this part must be in the present participle form. Only then it will give a complete meaning. Taken place over, it's meaningless. Taking place around, yeah, it's correct answer. How religious intolerance can blight the social peace and harmony can be gauged, can be measured from the events that is taking place around the globe. It means that is going on around the globe. This option will not do because this makes the sentence past. This option is this is the option that is related to, that is trying to make the sentence past, and the first part that is in the present tense, and this part is in the past tense, so it cannot replace this option. Taken place, events taken place, again from events taken place. After this, the third form of the verb cannot be used because there must be a helping verb, which is not there. So we are left with only one option, that is the appropriate option for us, that is taking place around. So this will be the answer. Thank you for watching the video.